Hey guys, it's Lindsay with the blog Repurpose and Upcycle, and I'm going to show you how to make this simple Halloween mesh wreath. Let's talk about supplies a minute. All of these supplies came from the Dollar Tree, and you're going to need a wire frame. You're going to need 4 rolls of mesh and pipe cleaners, and then any accessories. Now the first thing I did was I measured out with some painter's tape about 10 inches. This is going to be my guide to help me cut the mesh wreath the same size. Now what I've done is I am cutting 4 pieces at once just to make it easier. I did cut all 4 rolls. You can see I stacked all 4 pieces on top of each other, and then I used the painter's tape as a guide. I put something sort of decently weighted on one side, and then I cut the other, and that's how I quickly cut all the 4 rolls. Once you have the ribbon cut, you're going to take pipe cleaners and just twist and tie them throughout different places of the wire frame. Once you have all the ribbon cut, grab 2 pieces at a time. Now you don't have to do 2, you can do 3. I would suggest more than 1. So I pulled 2 pieces out. You can see I rolled them up, squished them in the middle, and then tied them onto the pipe cleaner, onto the wire frame. You're just going to continue doing this until you have completed all the way around the wire frame with the first set of mesh ribbon. This is what it's going to look like once that first set of mesh ribbon is done. Next, you're going to take 2 more pieces of ribbon, roll them in the same fashion you did the first time, and you're going to lay them on top of the other ribbon in a perpendicular fashion, just like that. And once again, you're going to go all the way around the frame, and this is what it should look like. Next, grab your accessories. Now, I'm using pumpkins that have little clips on them. If you don't have clips, you can always use hot glue. That works just as well too. You can see I'm just alternating the colors of the pumpkin. I'm actually going to go in and add some green as well. One more thing I want to touch on. I'm not a fan of decorating for short holidays like Halloween. I like my decor to be very transitional. So what I mean is the great thing about this wreath is these colors and the pumpkins, they're neutral enough to where I can use them for Halloween, yet I can still carry them through fall and Thanksgiving. That's the beauty of using more neutral colors. I could use some more bold Halloween colors like black and purple, but then I would feel like I had to pull them down after October 31st. So this way I'm using those neutral fall colors, but I'm gonna finish it off with a Halloween touch that can be traded out for something very Thanksgiving and very fall themed when Halloween is over. Once I've added those 2 large pumpkins and of course my centerpiece, I'm going to hang my wreath and make sure I like it. Here it is. I love how it's still neutral, but yet it still says Halloween. The best part, that pumpkin centerpiece has a motion detector. Let me show you. Can you believe I made this whole wreath for under $15? You can't beat that. Thanks for watching, guys.